Hello, and we have with us Mr. Saket Gokhale, who has been national spokesperson of TMC. Recently, the Goa government has transferred some 39 police officers right after the notification of EC. So it looks like they don't bother about the code of conduct. We have Saket Gokhale speaking about this.
Basically, the problem is on the 8th of January is when the elections were notified and the model code of conduct comes into play. On the 9th, via the police establishment board, the Goa government has ordered transfers of 39 PIs, that is police inspectors. The copy of that notification has not even been given to the election commission. Now, the rule under electoral rules is that the moment a notification for elections is announced and the model code of conduct comes into play, the entire state machinery is on deputation to the election commission. Therefore, transfers, suspensions, anything related to the bureaucracy or to the police is to be conducted by the EC or after approval from the EC. So the fact that the Goa government has decided and issued immediate transfer orders for 39 police inspectors after the notification of the elections was announced, and the fact that the election commission has absolutely not even taken cognizance of it, that's a very serious matter when it comes to free and fair polls. So today we'll be approaching the election commission, we'll be sending an official representation, and the election commission has to either scrap these 39 orders and hold the Goa government accountable and the Home Department and ask them on what basis did the police establishment board make these transfers without approval of the election commission. And we hope for a response from them in 24 hours. If the election commission really sticks to its role, which is of being an independent institution, then it should take cognizance within 24 hours of this issue. We are believers in free and fair polls, though in the past, in history, we have seen, be it West Bengal elections, be it elections in other places, we have seen the election commission not taking a proactive role when it comes, to the BJP. But I would like to believe that, these are more of, exceptions rather than the norm. And the election commission, therefore, in fact, needs to act on this and send out a signal that it is an independent institution which treats all parties on an equal footing and will not allow the misuse of state machinery.